Hey guys, these are your Reader's Notebook pages for today. We're starting off with page 7, which is cumulative review. We are reviewing long O sounds. So this is something that we've had in the past, but we're just coming back to look at it. So here are the words in your word bank. We've got float, cold, boat, go, blow, soaked, and slow. So in the word float, OA is how we get our O sound. O, OA, O, OW, OA, and OW. Sam sailed his blank on the pond. What's something that you would sail? And sail this way, S-A-I-L. Boat. Okay, fill these in with those words. It's super easy. You're just filling in the blanks. So you can pause to do that now. Okay, then when you come down here, take one of these long O words that you've used up here and from the word box to create your very own sentence. Remember to have a capital letter and a period at the end. You're just taking one of these words and putting it in a sentence. Okay, you can pause to do that now. Then turn over to page 8. Okay, this is something kind of like we've done yesterday in class. If you were here in class, we had to look for the page numbers and answer questions in complete sentences. So go ahead and pause now to get your book out because you're going to need to use your book. And it says the very first question, you're going to read page 16 and see what Mr. Tannen loves. Okay, come over here to page 16. Mr. Tannen loves being the principal of the Lyndhurst School. So that's what we're going to write right here. Mr. Tannen loves being the principal Okay, we can just leave it there because I ran out of room and I write very small, so I know that you guys would probably run out of room as well. Pause if you need to finish. Then we're going to read pages 18 and 19. What makes Mr. Tannen so happy? After school, Mr. Tannen sat in his office staring at the jar. He sighed. Now I'm in a real pickle. This is not enough money for a playground. The kids will be so disappointed. Mr. Apple's words floated around in his head. The playground will have to wait. You'll think of something. I wish our account was as full as your tie closet. As full as my tie closet, repeated Mr. Tannen. He jumped up, opened his closet, and shouted, That's it, my ties. Lyndhurst School will have a new playground. So what makes him happy on these pages? He gets the idea to sell his ties. So he is going to sell his ties to get money for the playground. Period. Okay. Pause, and if you need to finish this, then you're going to read pages 26 and 27 on your own and write a sentence telling why can't Mr. Tannen sell his blue ribbon tie. Then read pages 30 through 32. How does Mr. Tannen feel about the playground? Okay, these two are pretty easy. You just got to look for them in your book. So pause to do that now. Then turn to page 9. This is similar like we did yesterday. Mr. Tannen wants to have a tie made to remember the special day when the playground opened. Use details from the story to create a tie. Write a sentence to tell about the tie you made for Mr. Tannen. So yesterday we made ties for ourselves. Today we're going to make a tie for Mr. Tannen about the special day when the playground opened. Okay. So you will want to put something on here that's related to that. How he felt. Maybe draw some playground equipment on here or hearts for him to thank everybody. However you think that what kind of tie he would have wore. And then write one little sentence about it down here. Okay, and then you're finished with these for the day.